Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this short video, I'm going to break down how you can get access to the volume footprint charts on TradingView and other order flow tools such as volume profile, stuff that the pros use, and how you can start actually reading that data, set up the charts and get it all set up ready for trading. So first things first, you're going to need to use the upgraded version of TradingView. Okay, so if you're on the free plan or the more basic plans, the Essential or Plus, you're not going to have access to the footprint. Okay, it's premium or ultimate is what you'll need. And as you can see, if you scroll down, it's called volume footprint. Doesn't come in these two plans, but it comes in the premium plan. You can try it free for 30 days. Great. Monthly cost £68, basically about $100. But once you're upgraded, you're also going to need to actually grab some data, right? So the volume footprint, all the contracts that are traded, all that data comes from one exchange called CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, right? So it all goes through their exchange, and you're going to need a subscription from them in order to get all that data. Now, luckily, TradingView's made it really easy. If you scroll to the bottom of this page, you will see CME Group Futures. Go ahead, click on that, and you can go ahead and subscribe. And then what's very important, what I do love to use, is if you click Show Summary Info, switch it up to a table, and then you can select what you like. So I personally like to have the delta percent, and the cumulative delta. So that's session CVD, and I'll explain what those are. Obviously the point of control, high-low range, and open interest. Personally, I just like the delta percent, and the session CVD, the cumulative volume delta. All right, and I'll explain what that all is. But that's pretty much it. And if you followed all those instructions, you'll have a chart that looks somewhat like mine. And I will go in a separate video on how to actually read it, how to actually start trading it, because obviously, you know, it's a lot more in-depth than just following high volume. If you just chase volume, the biggest mistake people make when they first start trading the footprint is they see high volume, you know, lots of buyers, and they just buy because they think, oh, it's got to go in their direction, right? When really it's a lot more, you know, there's a lot more nuance to it, and I'll explain different strategies on how to kind of read the footprint properly like a pro. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on channel notifications if you want to see those videos. A lot more are coming, and I'll be breaking down a lot of trades and giving a lot of good valuable information in this channel.